What's up, everyone? Right now, you are not just looking at a beautiful view. You are actually looking through the lens of the DJI Avata doing a full 360 camera view. Focus tracking. This is a camera's technology that automatically maintains a sharp focus on a subject while it is in motion. In this tutorial, I selected the boy as my subject. And to focus tracking around the boy, you simply need to twitch a few options in the settings of the drone. Step 1. Hover the drone safely. Use your flight cursor to point at the top menu, then select the focus track icon. Step 2. Look for the green plus symbol inside a box that pops up over your subject. Point your flight cursor right at them and click to lock them in for the project. Then the step 3, a mini camera view will instantly pop up in the top left corner of your screen. This means focus tracking is officially toggled on and you are ready to capture the shot.
You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby.